Hey guys! So, ayun na nga, dumating na ang ating order. And ito ay costume ng ating mga dancer na Velocity X, guys. Gagamitin nila to para sa kanilang competition, guys. So, let's go. Let's unbox it. Dahil active na ulit ang Velocity X, guys. And sasabak na ulit sila sa sayaw. Bilangin muna natin, guys, kung ilan. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nagulat ako doon na, akala ko 10 lang. Alright. Now, tignan natin kung tama ba yung mga sizes. So, this is XL. XL1, XL2, XL3. Okay, tatlong XL. Sa large, 1, 2, 3, 4. Small, 1, 2. Okay, so, okay naman. Lahat ng pants nandito. Now, we will check. Let me show you kung ano itsura niya, guys. So, this is a, like, cargo pants. Ayan. Ganito siya, guys. It's a black pants. Okay, may pocket siya dito. So, this is the XL. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayan. So, ganito siya. Okay, medyo mahaba sa akin. Pero, we can still adjust it here. May ano naman siya. May adjustment. So, magiging ganito tapos siya. Here's the back. Gilid. Front. Gilid. So, yeah, guys, that's it. So, ito yung lower nila. Wala pa yung upper nila, guys. Papunta pa lang dito. So, waiting na lang po kami. And, of course, we will be showing you the upper. Alright, again, thank you so much for watching. Love, love, love.